Hey everyone, today we're showing a quick tutorial on how to host your Node.js application online completely for free so that other people can see it. So all that's required for this account is a Heroku account and a GitHub account. And so all you want to do is go ahead and upload your Node.js application to GitHub, and that way we can host it on Heroku. So once you made your Heroku account, you should see a screen very similar to this. Go ahead and click new in the top right and press on create new app. Here you can name it whatever you'd like as long as it hasn't been taken yet. And so go ahead and click create app. Once you've gone to the screen, go ahead and connect your GitHub account by clicking on this button here. And it's pretty straightforward. It asks you to log in, so go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the GitHub icon. And here, go ahead and search for your repo name for your Node.js app. Mine is just called Node Express Skeleton. And go ahead and click connect. Once you've done that, you should see a couple different options. Go ahead and just enable automatic deployment so that whenever you upload a change to your repo, it will automatically get deployed on Heroku. And here we can go ahead and just click on deploy branch to deploy our master branch, if that's the branch you want. And so once you click on that, it would just probably take about 10 to 20 seconds for the entire app to be deployed. And you can see the status here. And so if we just wait a couple of seconds, it should be done pretty soon. Yeah, so your build succeeded. And just wait a couple more seconds to see like a green check mark that should appear. Yep, right here. That says deployed to Heroku. And now if you click on view, you should see the home page of your Node.js application if everything worked correctly. And as you can see here, this is the home page. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe.